The SIT185 message is an alert message sent by an MCC to a SPOC or RCC. The format of SIT185 messages, known as Distress Alert Messages, has remained unchanged for a long time, whereas more and more information due to COSPA-SARSAT program improvements have been added over the years. We've made improvements to the SIT185 message to reflect that. The content is now more readable by SAR services and avoid possible confusion, in particular with respect to beacon location information provided. Now that you've heard the general intent, we will explain the changes in more detail.
Changes to the format of the SIT185 message were approved by COSPA-SARSAT to improve the conciseness and clarity of the distress alert messages distributed to RCCs and SPOCs. To summarize the changes, the term confirmed position has been replaced in the body of the message by the term MCC reference position, as this terminology had caused some confusion at RCCs. Indeed, the words seemed to indicate that the confirmed position was the most accurate. The MCC reference position is indeed a position developed by an MCC using standard rules for calculation and position definition. The term expected accuracy has been replaced by the term estimated error. The estimated error value, given in nautical miles, represents the radius of the cycle in which the beacon can be found with 95% probability. The term encoded has been replaced by the term GNSS to clearly indicate that this information has been provided by the beacon itself in the information encoded in the beacon message derived from one of the global navigation satellite systems such as Beidou, Galileo, GPS or GLONASS. The term confirmed has been removed from the title of the SIT185 message as well. And finally, the message fields have been reordered to allow a more logical presentation of the distress data to the RCCs.
The information in the old SIT185 message have been reorganized for better clarity. As you can see on this slide, most of the fields have been reorganized into main categories. You may also notice that the new message on the right is shorter, but keeps all the useful data needed by the RCCs. The SIT185 message has been reorganized in 6 paragraphs or parts. The message ID field contains the type of the alert and the references which uniquely identify the alert. That is to say, the message number and reference number assigned by the MCC. The beacon info field contains static information extracted from the beacon coding as transmitted by the beacon. The 4D location field contains the different positions directly received from the beacon or calculated by COSPA-SARSAT system. We may find GNSS positions from the beacon itself, Doppler positions from the LEOSAR system, and or DOA position from the MEOSAR system. In the system info field, we have data directly derived from the COSPA-SARSAT system, not extracted from the beacon message itself. Some fields which were deemed unnecessary have been removed or can be omitted. The information on the next pass expected data time is removed because it is no longer provided by COSPA-SARSAT system. Also, most of the fields where the value is nil may be omitted and the line removed. The goal is to keep the message as short and clear as possible. The listing of the possible omitted fields is described in document COSPA-SARSAT A002. Therefore, the corresponding lines in the message were deleted. As an example, the associated lines of the fields beacon info, 4D location or system info should be deleted if the value is nil. The goal, again, is to distribute a shorter and more concise message. In the part 5 of the message, System or Other Information, an MCC can optionally choose to add additional information, such as the LUT, which has received and originated the alert data, the number of MEOSAR satellites, and the number of packets that were used to generate the position data information.
The complete and detailed changes to the new SIT-185 message are described in COSPAS SARSAT documents A002 and G007, both of which are available free of charge on the COSPAS SARSAT website 406.org.
COSPAS SARSAT,
COSPAS SARSAT.
COSPAS SARSAT,
we save lives.